Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. I decided to make the viral pasta salad, and this is how it went. You see how good it looks, nice and yummy. So hi again, welcome to my show. I wanted to get, never mind, let the boobies breathe. So here's that pasta. I saw it on TikTok and it looks delicious. So I decided to make it myself. So I already boiled my pasta noodles. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Just get some generic ass, generic um, Walmart rainbow pasta, the spirally one, and go ahead and boil that for the amount of time that's on the box. Then I have some sliced red onions, and I got this tip off of TikTok where you soak your thin sliced onions in ice cold water, and it makes them like less oniony but more crunchy. That's the best part of the onion flavor, and it's not too sharp. So I did that, and I added it, but note, I added a little bit more later on, but for now I added that much. Then right there I have some thinly sliced cucumbers and some rotisserie chicken. That's just like the right side of the chicken breast. That's the rotisserie chicken I got from Sam's. I just cut off its right breast and put it into chunks and threw it right into the boiled pasta noodles. So I use the paper plate because I'm not doing dishes today right now. Um, so put that all into one big bowl, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Now all we have is onions, we have cucumbers, we have the pasta, right? Here's the star of the show. This salad supreme. This was sold out everywhere. Okay, I was able to get it at Walmart, and the lady on the video said add a lot. And here I'm adding a lot, but I even added more later on because the good thing about this seasoning is that it doesn't have salt, or it doesn't really have salt at all. So you can add as much as you need to, right? Even after that, what you just saw, I added more. So the good thing about seasoning and stuff is you can add more later. So now we have that Olive Garden Italian seasoning. Shake it up like a bartender. And this you're gonna add a lot of too, especially if you want your pasta salad to sound, squishy like pasta salad, right? Okay, give me a second. I haven't opened it yet, so there we go. So go ahead and open up your salad dressing that's been shaken up, right? And you're gonna see the amount. This is the biggest bottle I could find. And remember, this pasta salad is for me and me alone, so don't worry about me opening up with my teeth. It's my pasta salad. Nobody else likes pasta salad in my house but me, so this is all for me. So I'm gonna pour. Look at the amount I'm pouring. Even after that, I might pour a little bit more. There we go. There we go. That seems all right for me. Now remember, you can't remove, but you can always add more later. All right? Can't take away, but you can always add more. So that's what it's looking like. We're gonna give it a mixy. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. Okay. If it's looking too dry, you add a little bit more. Okay. You're gonna taste as you go. So I'm gonna mix it up. To me, it's looking really good, as you can see. That's the face of a satisfied woman. It looks delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it like the real Nigerian woman that I am. Mmm. Yes, it's coming along nice. When you start body rolling, you know that it's coming along in the right way. So we're gonna keep on mixing it, and then this is where I taste it again. Okay, because you have to double taste. The first time I didn't really. See, just look at the small dance. That small dance means wait, oh, it's nice, but I need to add more salad supreme. So I'm gonna add some more salad supreme. Look how much I'm adding. Don't be scared of this, all right? The lady that made the original video, she added a lot more than this to hers, okay? So don't be scared of it. It's not salty, which is great, okay? But it is flavorful. Then I'm gonna go ahead, since I added that dry seasoning, I'm gonna add some nice wet Italian seasoning to it, okay? So add the wet Italian seasoning, okay? Give me a second. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, okay? Now this is with my back camera. All right, see how it looks nice and clear? That's that Samsung 24 Ultra. Anyway, so go ahead and mix it up. All right, it looks really good, okay? And it tasted even better. So we're gonna mix it and mix it. And you're gonna watch the next, 3 to 4 seconds of me just mixing. All right, and I'm gonna steal a piece of chicken. There we go. Because if you don't steal chicken while you're cooking, then are you actually cooking? Anyway, so keep on mixing. So you keep mixing. And I'm going to come back to my beautiful face. You gotta hype yourself up, okay? So I've been tasting. I think I've tasted half the pasta salad. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was great. Please make it yourself. Bye.